In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up templates in TradingView to speed up your technical analysis. By the end, you'll have indicator templates and chart layout templates saved, so you can load your preferred studies and visual settings instantly on any chart. First, let's save an indicator template. This allows you to load a set of studies, for example VWAPRSI and EMA, all at once. Add all the indicators you want on the chart, then customize each one. Adjust the inputs, colors, and styles so everything looks and behaves the way you prefer. Take a moment to get these settings right, because the template will remember exactly what you see on screens. Now save the template. Move to the top toolbar and click the Indicator Templates icon. It looks like 4 small squares. From the menu, select Save Indicator Template. When the prompt opens, give your template a clear name you'll recognize later. Before you confirm, set the options. Choose Remember Symbol if you want this template tied to a specific ticker. Choose Remember Interval if you want it tied to a specific time frame, such as the 1-hour chart. Only enable these if you want the chart to switch symbols or time frames automatically when you load the template. When you're ready, save it. To apply your indicators on any chart, click the same Indicator Templates icon again. From the list, select the template you just saved. Your indicators will load instantly with the exact settings, colors, and styles you configured. Next, let's save your chart layout templates for visuals. These control how the chart looks, including colors, scales, and session breaks. Open the chart settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the chart. Inside chart settings, customize the appearance. Adjust background and grid colors so your chart is easy to read. Under symbol settings, fine-tune how candles or bars display. Update scales so price and time axes appear the way you like. If you want market sessions to be visible, turn on session breaks. Make sure each change is visible on the chart so you can confirm it matches your preference. Now save these visual settings as a template. Look to the bottom left corner of the settings window and click the Template button. Then select Save As. Enter a name that describes the style, for example, light theme with session breaks, and save. To apply your save style at any time, open the template menu again from the bottom left of the settings window and choose your saved style. The chart's visual look will update instantly. This changes appearance only. It does not affect your indicators, data, or orders. At this point, you have 2 powerful time savers ready to use. Your indicator templates let you load complete study sets in 1 click, and your chart layout templates let you switch the entire visual style just as quickly. Anytime you open a new symbol or time frame, you can apply your indicator template from the 4 squares icon, and anytime you want a different look, apply the visual template from chart settings. If you ever notice something not appearing as expected, check whether you enabled Remember Symbol or Remember Interval on the indicator template, since those options tell TradingView to follow a specific ticker or time frame when the template loads. Otherwise, reopen chart settings to confirm the visual options you saved are still selected. That's it. Your TradingView templates are now set up, saved, and ready to speed up your technical analysis with consistent indicators and visuals across all your charts. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.